Did you feed them after midnight?
Hiya guys, this is the new Mohawk prototype of the Neca series. They're not all due out yet. First they were due out in January, then they put the date back to June, and now the site I've got them on order, I think they've put 28th September. Like to keep us waiting. It's just like your standard rest of them, with ball to move his eyes. He is missing his jaw, but I think that maybe be just because he's a prototype. I can't wait to get the new series, to get especially the Daffy. That's one of my favourites, what I'm waiting for. But he looks great displayed with the rest of my collection. Then this is my new Neca Stunt puppet. I got him a few days ago after having him on pre-order for a long time. I didn't know about him at first. It was one of you guys who told me about him, Glenn Webman 69. So as soon as he told me, I had him on order next day. Really nice piece. His stand, you can unscrew the bottom part and you can like display him on wall, which that's what I will be doing, screwing other top part at stand to wall. I wish he would have been articulated at arms so you could like give him more of a display piece, but it's still really nice. Every time I look at him, I have thought he'd look great with dressed in like a brain outfit with a jacket and a shirt. I seem to have got a good one, there's no paint flakes or anything like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.